Understanding the mechanisms of the Earth's atmosphere can give us a good insight to how and when severe weather events occur. Droughts have become an increasing issue in the United States, especially in the western parts of the country.
A map courtesy of the National Integrated Drought Information System shows the severity of drought conditions in the Regional Climate Center's western region. 25% of the region is unaffected, while 20% of the region is abnormally dry, 26% is experiencing moderate drought, 18% is experiencing severe drought, 8% is experiencing extreme drought, and the last 3% is experiencing exceptional drought. Now, droughts can be enhanced by a variety of things such as El Niño and zonal indices, more specifically the Pacific North American and the North Atlantic Oscillation Indexes, or PNA and NAO, respectively. A positive phase PNA develops a strong ridge along the west coast, while a negative phase NAO creates an enhanced meridional flow that occurs as a result of a blocking high in the North Atlantic. When you get just one or a combo of both indices, unusually warm temperatures are observed out west. El Niño, on the other hand, is caused by the weakening of winds in the central Pacific, which will initiate a downdwelling of Kelvin waves and cause long Rossby waves. The Kelvin waves will travel eastward and warm the eastern Pacific, resulting in an El Niño, which leaves the eastern Pacific exceptionally warm. Comparing the Oceanic Niño Index and California's drought between 2014 and 2016, we see a strong correlation between the El Niño and the drought that has occurred in the state. Due to the warming climate, higher temperatures increase evaporative losses of water and affect the timing of peak river flows out west. Earlier peak flow trends are attributed to the decline in snowpack and snowmelt-fed streamflow and larger percentages of precipitation falling as rain instead of snow. Peak flows occurring earlier in the spring rather than the summer affect the water supply and demand for the resource. Managing reservoirs, aquifers, and other water infrastructure has become more challenging as a result. Proper mitigation strategies, such as recycling water for instance, can help fix water supplies and help lessen the severity of drought, since reservoirs such as Lake Mead, held back by the Hoover Dam itself, is at its record lowest levels since it was filled.
With Up in the Air, I am student meteorologist Duncan Miklos.